Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and manage leads in Bit CRM. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Leads module. First, navigate to the Leads module. Then, click on the New Lead button. Step 2. Enter lead information. The lead creation form will open. Start by entering the lead's personal information, including the title, first name, last name, and email address. Next, enter the phone number, company name, website URL, and industry. Then, enter the lead's annual revenue. Next, select the lead source, lead status, and owner from the drop-down menu. By default, the currency is set to USD. Next, enter the billing address and shipping address, if needed. Finally, add a description to include any additional information about the lead. Step 3. Add custom fields. You can also add custom fields based on your business requirements. To do this, open the Lead Field Settings page in a new browser tab. Here, you can create and manage custom lead fields to capture the information that's most important to your business. Now, click the Add New Custom Field button and complete the custom field creation process. Once the custom field has been created, you can easily drag and drop it to any position within the form. You can also mark it as required, disable it, adjust its width, or edit and delete it at any time to suit your business requirements. Now, return to the Leads module. You will see the newly created custom field in the lead form. Simply enter the appropriate information in the custom field. Step 4. Create a tag. On the right side of the form, you will find the Tags section. Tags help you organize and categorize your leads more effectively. For this example, we will create a new tag called Hot Lead. Open the Tags module in a new browser tab. Then, click on the New Tag button. Enter Hot Lead as the tag name, then select the Lead module. Finally, click the Create button to create the tag. Your new tag has now been created successfully. Now, return to the Leads module and select the newly created Hot Lead tag from the Tags section. Step 5. Save the lead. After entering all the required information, click the Create button to save the lead. Or, if you'd like to create another lead immediately, click the Create and Add Another button. Your new lead has now been added successfully. Step 6. Manage lead activities. After creating the lead, you will be redirected to the Lead Details page. From here, you can update the lead information at any time. You can also keep track of every customer interaction by recording activities such as emails, tasks, meetings, calls, attachments, notes, links. This helps your team keep all lead-related information and interactions organized in one place. Your newly created lead is now available in the Leads module and ready to be associated with contacts, deals, and other CRM records. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.